say blues, then I'd say to you, we could take the highway with this trunk of ammunition too. I'd end my days with you in a hail of bullets, and I would drive on to the end with you. A liquor store or two keeps the gas tank full, and I feel like there's nothing left to do but prove myself to you, and we'll keep it running. But this time I mean it, I'll let you know how much you mean to me. As snow falls onto the desert sky, until the end of everything, I'm trying to let you know just how much you mean. As days fade